Moment of truth. Alright, looks good to me. I'm gonna take these guys out and shred them. Okay, here's the prep. Onion, cabbage, cauliflower, some bacon, green onion, garlic. I'm loosely following the Nom Nom Paleo recipe for this. This pan, I don't think it's hot enough. Nope, didn't make a sound. Anyway, no biggie. I'm adding the onion and the garlic now. This is onion, garlic, salt, and pepper. I'm just going to let that cook until the onion gets see-through. Alright, next, I'm going to add the scallions. Oh, brother. It's hard to do this with one hand, you know? This is cabbage. I'm going to add a tiny bit of each one of these. Time to add the cauliflower rice. Okay, I need both hands. Gonna make a nice, I'm gonna make sure everything's combined, and then I'm gonna kind of flatten it out. Like so. So I let it sit there for 2 minutes or so, and then I toss it around. You don't want it to be super soft, you just want it to be okay. I don't have a wok, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add my, this is 2 eggs, and I'm going to kind of scramble it and mix it into the rice. So you can kind of see the egg has incorporated a bit. I'm going to add the coconut aminos, which is my soy sauce alternative. And the final thing, I'm going to add in some of this chicken that I shredded earlier, but not all of it. I'll just kind of stir it, and then I'll give it 2 or 3 minutes just until the chicken is, just until the chicken is warm. Alexander. And there we have it. Chicken fried rice with cauliflower rice.